If you are looking for an entry-level laptop for school or college work, along with some entertainment on the go, then say hello to the Dell Inspiron 14. The black lid has a textured finish with the Dell logo in the center. Lift the lid and you are greeted with a 14-inch HD LED backlit anti-glare display. The Dell Inspiron 14 is light, weighing a mere 1.96 kilos, and the accompanying power brick is small and compact, making it the ideal traveler's companion. The 14-inch form factor makes the laptop portable and lightweight to carry in backpacks or a sling bag. The Dell Inspiron 14 has a chiclet-style keyboard. The layout of the keyboard is comfortable for those looking to type a lot. The power button rests on the top right above the keyboard. The keyboard and trackpad are surrounded with the same textured finish found on the lid. Below the keyboard, we have the trackpad. You do not have a physical left and right click as they are integrated into the trackpad to give it a seamless look. The left and right clicks are distinguished with a simple line on the trackpad. Moving to the connectivity options, on the left, the laptop has the power socket, Ethernet port, HDMI out, and 2 USB ports. On the right, the device has the Kensington lock, one USB port, headphones mic combo jack, and an SD card slot. Speaking of audio, the speakers are integrated on the front edge of the laptop. You have 2 speakers for a stereo audio experience. At the bottom, the laptop has 4 rubber feet, which gives the machine grip when kept on a table. This ensures that the laptop remains firmly stable during those long typing sessions. The laptop also sports an HD webcam and Bluetooth connectivity options along with Wi-Fi. The laptop houses a 4-cell battery to ensure that you get through some productivity before resorting to the charger. The battery of the laptop is removable. When it comes to the specifications, the Dell Inspiron 14 3000 has an Intel Core i3 7th generation CPU coupled with 4GB of RAM and 1TB hard drive. The RAM on the laptop is expandable up to 8GB. The 1TB hard drive ensures that you have enough space to store your entire movies and music library along with productivity files. The resolution of the 14-inch display is 1366 by 768, which is enough to work on spreadsheets, projects, and watch videos. The specifications of the laptop ensure that you can run a few apps in multitasking. You can also browse numerous tabs on Chrome without any issues. You can also enjoy your movie library on this laptop. You can also get some basic productivity apps functioning on the device like MS Office thanks to the Intel integrated HD 520 graphics card. The laptop is not for those looking to play the latest games like Doom, Metro, GTA, and more. This was a quick overview of all the features on offer on the Dell Inspiron 14 laptop.